Welcome to Single Serve in Excel. Today we're going to learn how to quickly delete blank rows from a spreadsheet. If you have a long list of data that contains blank rows, you have several options. You could sort the rows alphabetically, which puts all the blank rows together, then delete that group of blank rows. However, there will be times when you need to maintain the order of the list. You could also select each row one by one and then delete them individually. This could be time consuming if you have hundreds or thousands of rows. You could also filter the list for blank rows and delete them. Or you could use this shortcut to quickly select the blank rows in your list and delete them all at once. Let's say you have a list of soap sales for 1 month.
I make and I sell soap.
And that data contains blank rows that you want to remove without affecting the order of the list. Even though this is a short list, let's just pretend it's not. First, select all the cells in the first column. Press F5 to open the Go To dialog box. Click the Special button. Select the Blanks option. Click OK. Right-click on one of the empty cells that is highlighted. Choose Delete. Select Entire Row option. Click OK. If you work with large lists of data in Excel that contains unsightly blank rows, this shortcut will save you a lot of time. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.